absolutely guides an average user to make professional decisions. So I think that's what we're most excited about. I'm Ed Stanek, Chief Operations Officer for Asset Analytix. I think what made us, or what interested us in submitting to the Solutions Award is we've put 5 years of work into developing a solution that works in parallel to all the CMMS systems out there, but it infuses lean technology to accelerate improvement management. We definitely want the market to know that the software and application is an award-winning application. A real example of how a customer would use our application, we've got a pharmaceutical client that is constrained operations, meaning that if they could produce more goods, they would sell them. And we went in and optimized their maintenance strategies and reduced their scheduled and unscheduled downtime, which resulted in about $1.8 million in increased throughput. So they're looking for tools that can help them figure out where their gaps are, and then immediately with precision go in and try to fix those and close those gaps. What excites me the most about our solution? I would say the simplicity of it. Taking complexity from different data sources, which is a very dry topic, and then putting it into a user interface that absolutely guides an average user to make professional decisions. So I think that's what we're most excited about. What would I want the community to know about our solution? Well, first of all, we're here, right? And second of all, that it's accessible at a scalable entry point. So anybody focusing on any type of project can easily get involved with our solution.